Okay, so now we're talking about translating expression. Okay, so it's a few words that you need to know in order to transfer words to symbols so you can understand algebraic expression. So your I can today should be, I can write algebraic expressions from word problems. So basically we're getting word problems and we're translating them into algebraic problems. Now, there's some key words you need to know when it comes to word problems. So let's go, oh, I'm going too far. Let's go over the key words. So when we're using the plus sign, you may want to circle that. Some of the words we're going to use, and I know I'm going to go off the screen, is sum, S-U-M, add, and this part goes on the right side of your notebook, plus, total, increase, more, combined, all together, and in all. So when you see words like that, you know that you're adding. When you're subtracting, you hear the word subtract, minus, difference, less, decrease, reduce, and remain. So that's for subtracting. When you're multiplying, you hear multiply, product, P-R-O-D-U-C-T, times, part of, twice, area, and volume. All right, and when you're dividing, you hear the words divide, quotient, split, per, equal parts, average, and ratio of. Okay, so those are the key words that you hear when you have like word problems. You need to turn it into a sort of algebraic expression. So let's go through a few problems. First one says 10 times a number plus 2 multiplied by x. Okay, so we have 10 times a number. Now anytime you see a number is basically a variable. So you can put whatever variable you want. So if your name starts with a J, you can put a J. If it's a Y, put a Y. So normally we see things like N. So I go with 10 N right now. So 10 times a number. So 10N. Remember, anytime a number and a variable are next to each other, they're multiplying. Plus 2 multiplied by x. Okay, there's another word, multiplied. So 2 multiplied by x. And that's it. Okay, that's it. Don't let it scare you because it's words. All right, so next we see the word quotient. Now if we go up, we know quotient means divide. Okay, so we know we have a division problem. So it says the quotient of a number and 7. Okay, so remember, a number can be whatever you want it to be. So we'll have quotient, we know it's a division problem, of a number. They give us a number, let's go with x, and 7. And there you go. So it's simple, you just got to know exactly what to write down. Okay, so make sure you use that word bank to help you out. All right, let's go to the 3 questions. Sorry. Let me find where I'm at. All right, so the first problem says 2 times the sum of x and y. So let's circle everything that's important that tells us what our operation is. So we have times and sum. Okay, so we have 2 times 2, and then we have times. When we're in high school, we don't use this signal anymore because that's normally a variable. So let's use parentheses. So 2 times the sum of x and y. So sum means addition. We have our x and y right here. So 2 times the sum of x and y, which really becomes a distributive property. Next, we have divide x by 2, then add 7. Okay, so let's circle all or square up all our words we need. Divide and add. Okay, so it says divide x by 2, then add 7. Okay, again, it's not too hard. You just got to know the words that you're looking for. Next, do the last one. We have 5 multiplied. So multiplied is one of them key words. By a square minus, there we go, 3y plus 8x. Okay, so let's do the work. So we got 5 multiplied by x squared. So I don't need to put a parentheses or a multiplication sign in between x squared because the x in 5 tells you that it's multiplying. Minus 3y tells us that 3y plus 8x. So we're good. Okay. We do have a reflection. Remember, DLIQ, what do we do? What did we learn? Do I have any questions? I'm pretty sure we all learned something today because all the words that we probably seen before but wasn't too familiar with. Now you have a chart that when you do see the words, you could go in and figure out what operation you need to do. Okay? If you need to get in contact with me, you know how to. Talk to you soon.